This is Artemis Maths Academy, where mathematics is being made easy. We are still on the series set. This part of the set, we want to talk about subset. Subset is very, very important. Even in your university, subset is important, especially for those who are going for sciences. Now, let's consider. So, consider two given sets. Consider two given sets, A and B. Consider two given sets, A and B. If the set A, observe, if the set A consists of some or all elements, I've already told you what an element is, of some or all elements of the set B, then A is said to be a subset of B. In a classroom, maybe you have two classrooms, and inside the two classrooms is called a school. Now, inside that school, you discover that inside the two classrooms, you discover that some of the elements, if you discover that some of the elements can be found in the other class, or all the elements, that means the one that has the most elements is like the father or the mother. So the other ones are called what? The subset of that particular set. So let's take, we denote this by a set notation. Like I told you, I said I'm going to be explaining or giving you the notations. Thus, A is a subset of B. That means some of the elements or all of the elements in A are in B. That is the meaning. This symbol here is used for subset. We have something like this. This is called proper subset. Proper subset. Proper subset are found inside subset. I'm going to explain that as we go further. So when you see this symbol and you see just a symbol C, it means the same thing. But the only difference is that this is the general symbol for subset, while this is the general symbol for proper subset. So we have proper subset, we have super subset. Superset is the opposite. Superset is the opposite. Just observe this. If A is a subset of B, that means B is a superset of A. That's just the meaning. If B is the mother, she gives birth to a child A. That means the child is the child of the parents. The mother, the child. The child is coming from the mother. That's just the meaning. So this one, A, is a child born from B. You get your A from B. You understand? Means A is a subset of B. That's just the meaning. If the set A is a subset of B, and there is at least one element in the set B which is not in A, then this set is said to be called proper subset of B. Proper subset of B. Do you understand now? Now, a mother can decide to have more than one children, and you discover that out of the whole children now, they are different. Each of the child now is called set. They are now proper subset, because they were given birth from the mother. Okay? If a woman is pregnant and the child inside the womb is depending on the mother to survive. So the child is a proper subset to the mother, while the mother is the subset. So what is the relationship between the mother and the child? The mother is a superset to the child. So the mother is a superset. This is symbol for a superset to the child. Why this is the child? Proper subset. Why this is subset in general. Thus, A This symbol is called what? Proper subset. A is a proper subset. A, this symbol B, means A is a proper subset of B. Like I told you, this symbol, don't forget, this symbol is for proper. This one is for superset. This one is generally subset. Okay? Note how to calculate numbers of subset. I'm going to teach you how to calculate the numbers of subset, because in each of the set we have different breakdown, different branches. A mother can do you know a mother can give birth to 2 children, 3 children, 1 child, 10 children. So how can we calculate a mother that gives birth to 2 children? How can we calculate a mother that gives birth to 3 children? You know, those children too can still give birth again, called grandchildren. You understand? So I'm going to teach you that aspect. Well, let's proceed. How to calculate numbers of subset. If a set has nth elements, then the first one is you have to find the total numbers of subset. Finding the total numbers of subset, because if they say calculate the subset of a given set, the first thing you need to identify is to identify the total numbers of subset, the total elements inside that set. For example, now, if I have, let's assume set A is equal to A, comma B. Let's just take only these two. Now observe. This shows that the mother gave birth to 2 children. Now, if we want to collect the element now, how many elements are there? It's 2. 1, 2. So these numbers of elements are your n. The n you see there is 2. So what you need to do is just put these 2 here. This 2 here is a constant. This is a general formula to calculate the total numbers of subsets. So you put these 2 here, it now becomes 2 raised to the power of 2, which should give you 4. You know that in every 2 elements, you have 4 subsets. So the same thing, if it is 3, you put 3. If it is 4, you change this n to 4. Then the next step is numbers of proper subset. How do you calculate numbers of proper subset? You have to bring the 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. That one you are taking off is your improper subset. That particular set, it looks like the original set you have. In every set, you have one improper set or improper subset. You understand? Improper what? Subset. All right, let's proceed. The last one is number of improper subset. How do you calculate numbers of improper subset? How to calculate it is only one left. The only particular one left from your proper subset, the one that is left from your proper, don't worry. I'm going to teach after this step now. I'm going to give you one example, the calculation. You see what I'm trying to explain. After you have take away one from this, that particular one you take away will be your what? Improper subset. Okay, so these are the steps of calculating your subset. So thank you very much. You can go to the comment section and ask your question. Drop your comment below. Thank you. I believe you understand. This is Artemis Maths Academy, where maths is being made easy. Thank you very much.